I couldn't get it out with a normal wrench. I tried it with this thing, but it doesn't go anywhere, so we have to try something different, something more aggressive. This could end really stupid. I maybe not recommend this to everybody. Just to the stupid ones. I hope that works. It's a little thick. I lost the thin one. I have to take this one. So I found this nail. Maybe this is going to work out. I hope it doesn't bend. Doesn't work. This does not work. What about this one? This tool? Ah! Shit, doesn't fit. Now it fits. Da! There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, it's coming loose. Battery died, but eventually I got the first one out here. Yeah, looks nice and beautiful. This one still has to come out. It's out. Last screw. This is how you can do it if you don't need the screw anymore. Nice.